This message are for you today. Hold on to God promises. The world has changed, seasons fade, people come, people go, opportunities slip away, dreams feel delayed. But hear this truth: God's word never fade. In promises, strong, unshakable, never frail, eternal, steadfast. Him we never swear. God is not a man that him lie. Had him say it, him a go do it. Numbers 23 verse 19. Even when your heart feel weary, even when your faith look teary, even when your life cloudy and unclear, God promise always near. Him say him not go leave you. Him a go bring beauty for your pain and make everything new. Him say him a go turn your mourning into joy, weakness to strength, sorrow him or destroy. Hold on tight. Keep the faith, shine your light. Declare them over your life and make them unfold. Call out the promises, speak them bold. The same God will speak life to the sky. I go fulfill every word, no lie. Your restoration, your breakthrough, your victory too. All I go come in a time according to where I go do. So rise even while you wait. Speak him word, no hesitate. Trust him timing, stand and see. When promise, him I go make it to be. So hold on, believe, stand firm. In promises never fail. So hold that to your heart today. Hold on, believe, stand firm. In promises never fail. And this will keep me alive right now. In promises.